Hello, people. This is the next song we are singing. This is Baby Zina. And we are singing for Baby Zina. The next song we are singing, the next Igbo lullaby that we are singing. Maybe your baby is crying. You will now be singing. Tata mechone bezina akwa. Akwa dịrọ mma n'obobe. Ọchị kacha mma n'ọchịchị. Chiaram nwantịntị. Tata mechone bezina akwa. Akwa dịrọ mma n'obobe. Ọchị kacha mma n'ọchịchị. Chiaram nwantịntị. It's beautiful. Igbo culture is beautiful. We have everything for life in Igbo land. Our tradition is beautiful. So this song actually means you're telling the baby should stop crying, close his or her mouth and stop crying, because it's not good to cry. It is always good to laugh. So you're not telling the baby, oh yeah, laugh small for me. Sharamu, wantente. I hope you enjoyed yourself today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. So why don't you sing the songs for your little ones? Sing them for your babies. And you'll be glad you did. And your baby will, you will see that your baby will enjoy it so much. Happy mother, happy baby. Happy baby, happy mother. See you.